Okay, so here's my favorite steamer by Conair. As you can see, it's pretty small. You can't feel it, but it's lightweight, super easy to use. It works really freaking good for its size. So first we're gonna open up the water canister here by pushing that up to open it. And then you're gonna notice that there's a steam reset button. This is pretty much to get all the gook out so nothing is blocking the steam from coming out from the water canister. But here we have the water canister. We're gonna unplug it, and you'll notice there's like a little hole to pour the water in. It's very small. So again, you only use filtered or bottled water just because it prolongs the lifespan of your steamer, and tap water contains minerals that can clog the steamer. So we're just gonna fit it back in there, clip it back in, and see, you're gonna know it's in there when it's clipped all the way and it goes in pretty good. And now we're gonna plug it in. And as soon as you plug it in, how you're going to know it's ready is you're going to turn it over and you'll notice an orange yellowish light. That's pretty much like a standby light. And you're going to wait for the green light to come on to know when it's ready. In the meantime, this is high and low steam. That's low. This is high. I usually keep it on high most of the time because it's the best. And so this is also a lock and unlock, so you can just press down to steam or you can keep it locked to keep it steaming. As you can see, the steam's coming out, so I think it's ready. Up, almost. So you can set it down. I like to set it on its back. Not on the front. I mean, some people do, but hey, to each their own. And then you turn it over. You're going to notice that the steam starts to come out just a little, so you know it's almost time. And I think it is. And if you look, yep, so the green light is on, so now it's good to go. And you can see the steam cart starts to come out. Yeah, see how good that is? Like, the steamer is so freaking good. I love this thing. It's powerful. It's so powerful. Anyway, so it gives you enough steam to pretty much steam any fabric. Yeah, you can see it's still going. And please be careful with the steam because it's super hot. So now that we're finished, we unlocked it. And now we're going to unplug it. A little bit of steam's still going to come out, but then you're all good. You can now purchase the steamer by the Shop What's in My Kit link on my channel. Remember to also like and subscribe for more.